Hello, everyone! Welcome to our Action Verbs lesson. I am blinking. I am blinking.
I am running.
I am sitting. I am clapping. I am walking. I am looking around. I am pointing. I am jumping. I am stretching. I am bending. I am picking it up. I am putting it down. I am shaking my head.
I am spinning. I am taking a deep breath. I am hopping. I am sharpening the pencil. I am holding the pencil. I am writing. I am erasing.
I am turning the page. I am underlining. I am drawing. I am coloring. I am opening my book. I am reading. I am highlighting. I am thinking. I am kicking the ball. I am throwing the ball. I am catching the ball. I am swinging. I am sliding. I am climbing. I am jogging. I am sprinting. I am dribbling the ball. I am chasing my friend. I am racing. I am cheering. I am dodging. I am bouncing the ball. I am picking up the ball. I am blowing the whistle. Thank you! Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Bye!